guys, this is what I'm gonna be trying Israeli snacks.
Yay! Where are we?
Emek.
Mishmar HaEmek. And what is Mishmar HaEmek?
The kibbutz.
The kibbutz, yeah. So we went to the store here, the Kolbo. We got a bunch of very popular Israeli snacks that we're gonna try. What are you sitting on, by the way?
A tuk-tuk thing.
No, not a tuk-tuk. It's a kanoit.
On the wheat.
It's like a little golf cart that we drive around the kibbutz in, right?
Yay!
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, first thing is very popular Israeli snack, Bamba.
Bamboo.
Here you go.
It's kind of like peanut butter, but at least it's just nuts, not peanut butter. It's good.
Yeah?
I really like it.
Oh, you don't like it?
Not that much.
I thought you did like Bamba.
You can finish.
No, you finish it, bud. All right. So give me that.
Moving
So,
on to the
It
next
tastes kind of
snack.
like peanuts, right? Peanuts?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So the next one is, what is this? Bisli.
Bisli.
Bisli, yeah. I like this one.
I'm gonna try it.
Okay. Tell me what you think.
These are little pasta things.
They do look like little pasta. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah? What do they taste like?
The cow tree I had in the other video.
The cow treat?
The cow thing.
I don't know. They taste, oh, kind of like barbecue?
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Barbecue it.
kind of barbecue-ish. Okay, very cool. So, yummy
Explain it.
Bisli, barbecue, grill. It says grill.
Well,
Yeah, that's the thing. And then the last one is apropos.
don't forget, you forgot the treat.
Oh no, that's last. We're saving the best for last. Apropos, these things are pretty good. We had these at home, right? They're kind of like the Israeli bugles.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're pretty good. They're like a corn snack, right?
Yeah.
Like kind of like potato chip type things, right? But pretty good, like bugles, except Israeli. All right, and then last but definitely not least, the most popular one, halva. Here, you can open it and you can eat all that.
It's like cheese.
No, it's not like cheese.
No, it looks like cheese.
It's actually, oh, okay, yeah, kind of, I guess.
It's a treat.
It is a treat,
There's
and
a
it's
treat.
made out of sesame seed. Do you need help opening it up?
Mhm.
Okay, I'll open this up for you. Jeez. Hold on. And we're back. The halva is opened up for him. All right, Ari.
I remember.
First of all, say halva.
halva.
Good job. You do remember halva
Uh-huh.
from when you were here before?
It's good.
Yeah, you like it. All right. Well, we'll let you eat the rest of your halva. What does it taste like? Is there anything that you can think of that's like people would know? And they're like, oh, it kind of tastes like this.
I can explain.
Try.
It kind of looks like tuna.
Okay, not what it looks like, but what
On the
does it
inside?
taste like?
I can explain.
Is it sweet? Is it sour? Is it spicy?
It's sweet-ish.
Sweet? Sweetish, yummy treat?
Yeah, but you might not know what it like tastes. You might not understand, but it might not taste like these things to you.
All right.
I suggest you try them. Definitely this one.
Okay. Well, we're gonna sign off, I think.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you in the next video.
Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and maybe do both. Bye-bye. You can hold this because I'm full of it.
Okay. We'll see you on the next video then, buddy.
See you on the next video, which I've already said.